Good evening, everyone. My name is Sala and this is Anna. And on behalf of all of us girls, all of Malia's girls, we just wanted to say happy 21st birthday. First and foremost, just wanted to thank the man above for bringing each and every one of us here to celebrate our girl for her 21 years. What a journey it's been with you, from having all our sneaky feeds in form class, to our karaoke sessions in class, to reaching this massive milestone with you. Just wanted to thank you for being the friend we each could rely on and for always being the life of the room. If anyone knows Malia, we all know she's amazing, kind-hearted, loving, caring, and such a savage friend. Most of us have known Katie since we started St. Dom's, and that's where our journey of laughter, fun, and chaos started.
Malia was always considered the mom of the group because she takes care of us and how approachable she was. Somehow she's always the first to find out or know anything. But in saying that, she's also the most selfless person out there, always trying to help and think of everyone before herself. All we want to say is thank you so much for being there for each and every one of us, being there to listen to what we have to say or to give us advice. You're such a blessing to our group and nothing you've ever done goes unappreciated. We love you so much. Also, just on behalf of all of us girls, our Samoan sisters here are going to perform a Samoan song for you. Thank you.
Let's go. Sibala ia masisio ma pesepia pia ia na viinga le fa'aola tanga waia amai fa'afita Yesu ila ualofa o te pese mafa'ane ene tau pelo sili ese le mana mea oi tu mau pea oi lau pele